Hey, art heroes. So my biggest takeaway and my biggest learning from taking this class is about feedback, about asking for feedback and accepting feedback. And the feedback you're going to get from the instructors is great. I mean, these are obviously people who know what they're talking about, and they will not guide you wrong. They will give you great feedback, either when you upload your artwork or during the Q&A sessions. But also the feedback that helped me a lot was from my peers, was from my squad and from the other people who were taking the course at the same time, because there's always someone online. And if you're feeling stuck in your artwork and you've spent several hours and on your character and you're feeling you're not moving forward or you're stuck or it's not working out, just upload your artwork and talk to the people. They will always give you positive feedback. At the end of the day, it's a community, not a competition. So don't be afraid to ask. Don't be timid and don't hold back. You're doing this for yourself. You're doing this to push yourself. And I was struggling with this maybe in the first 2 weeks or so, and I was like, oh, do I really want to upload this? But every time I showed my artwork, it improved in some way or another. And up until the last minute, when I was talking to my squad and I was showing them what I was working on for the final presentation, I did a 180-degree turn 4 days before it was done because I got such brilliant ideas from others. So ask for feedback and accept their feedback, because this will bring you so far. And enjoy the course and have fun.